Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to access and use Facebook Sound Collection. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and then search for facebook.com/sound/collections. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this. Now we'll zoom it out, zoom it in, and then click on the sound effects or tracks. Okay, as you can see, there are plenty of sound effects that the Facebook collection has. Okay, so you can just play the sound effects that you want, and you can also download it by tapping on the download icon beside the play button. Okay, so you can also choose the categories of your sound effects. So we have different categories here, but you can also choose the durations of your sound effects. And now let's go back and try to explore the world of tracks. Okay, now zoom it in and then tap on tracks. So we have over, I think, 12,000 plus soundtracks here. That's a lot. So you can play the soundtrack or download it. Okay. And then there you can also choose the genres that you want to listen to. So you just click on choose and then choose the genre that you want. And then you can also choose the moods, okay, and the duration as well, the vocals, and the tempos. And then at the top corner, you can see the different artists. So you can search for the artist that you love and then just tap on and then listen to their track. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.